Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you the coaster bot. We turned it on for the session open tonight. It's made two trades, $1,546.56. Running four contracts. Our goal is to make 50% of our trades, so that's pretty close. So let's pause it. We're done. So we can go ahead and close this one out. And if it enters another trade, it enters another trade on its own. So that's where we are with it. We're going to leave it the way it is right now. And two for two. And you got two trades, and you can see there's a lot of chopping here. The coaster bot eliminated that chop. It did not take the signals it shouldn't take. It only took the ones it should take. That's what a bot should do for you, right? It should eliminate these bad trades. Like this right here was not a good trade. Right here was not a good trade. And it never took them. It knows. It is smart. It knows what to do. So how do you get started with this? To let you know right up front, our leases are going to stop pretty soon. We're filling up. Once we get to a certain plateau of numbers, I'm going to go ahead and shut the lease off. Last year we shut it off December 15th. I'm not sure what I'm going to do this year, but as soon as I get my numbers to where I don't want a large amount of people in here. We keep it small. Uh, this is something very special, and we don't want to just allow it to go out to a huge number of people, and it's working really well. The more people, the more questions and help that I have to do, and I can't do it. There's only so much of me that can help. The bot is pretty simple, but you still have questions that have to be answered. For the most part, you load the bot, you load the template, and you sit back and just kind of watch it and let it do its thing. That's usually what we do. So how you get started? You go to spymoneyllc.com, go up here to the Ninja Suite, and you click on that. You got a little short video here you can watch, and it explains a lot about what we do. One thing about the bots, they are not set it and forget it. You do not turn these on and go to work and then come back and expect to be a millionaire. It's just not the way it works. You need to turn these on. You need to kind of watch it. And a lot of times, I don't with the YouTube videos, I let them run untouched, but I teach you how that you can move your profit targets and stops around, and you can actually often make more money than what the bot will on its own. It's pretty easy to do. You scroll down here, there's a video that you can watch and explain what I'm getting ready to do. And these 14 items you have to agree to. This is part of our contract that we have between me and the user. I need you to read through these, make sure you understand them before you send it to me. The number one thing is they are not set it and leave it bots. You can't just turn these on and go to work and think you're going to be a millionaire. It's not the way it works. So you right or left click and drag all the way down to here, and you copy it, and then you come up to the very top to the contact us. When you go up there, you have to put in all your information here: first name, last name, email, phone number, and then you right click and hit paste in here. And when you send that to me, once you send that to me, that tells me that you agreed to these 14 items, and you understand what the rules are and so forth. So once you do that, I'll send you a link to be able to join if there's availability. If there's no availability, you will not get that. So when we scroll down, what you're getting is all the bots. Coaster is the number one bot we use. I don't think anybody uses any other bot because Coaster is so good. But we still have some other bots that you can use. Here's all the indicators plus some more. And you get all those indicators, usage of those for your lease. You get the toolbar, and you get several drawing tools, or some that's not even in here. There's two more in here. Here is a list of questions. You can read through this. More than likely your question will be answered. So if you go ahead and read through that, and if it doesn't answer your question, go up to contact us, click on that, send me message, and I will respond as soon as I can. We also recommend 4 different funded accounts. The most that people use are the Apex and the BluSky. There's some coupons down here. Just click on these up here and it will take you to the site, and that'll allow you to read through the information and compare what's best for you. We have a lot of people using Apex and we have a lot of people using BluSky. We have a few using Take Profit, none using New Profit that I know of. But there's some coupons there to help you out. If you don't have a strong enough computer, you can use this VPS. And we partner up with a company. You click on this. The medium is all you need. The pro is the better one, but the medium will get you by. You can access this from your tablet or your phone, and also any computer that you have access to the internet on. You can access your remotely. So it'll help you out. But that's how you get started in it. And if we go back here and look again, we don't have a trade yet. We got it paused anyway, so it won't even take a trade even if it was going to. But if you have any questions, let me know. Again, the lease is going to stop before long, so once it stops, I'm not going to let anybody else in. At that time, if we get some extra room or something, I'll open it back up. But real soon, we're going to be closing the lease down. And the reason being is I'm one person. I don't want to hire anybody. I want to keep my company small. And there's a certain number of people that feels comfortable for me to be able to help, and that's where we cut our limit off. Um, as long as I'm not overwhelmed, I will keep the lease open. But when it gets to the point where it's quite a bit to take care of, that's when I've got to scale it back. I am retired. I do this as kind of a hobby, really. I trade myself full time. And I build this stuff for me, and I share it with a limited number of people. So that's what we do with it. But if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.